Let's get it go. Let's get it go. Okay, so we are back at this problem. Again, it said at this point, we're going to go ahead and pull everything out, and we're going to make a triangle or have the triangle so that matches up with what we need. So we're just looking at the triangle. So I'm going to draw this out. Oh, dang it. It's a little bit different than what's up there, but it's okay. Still fine. All right, so all we did was just rewrite it so it's a little bit cleaner. And so now we can be able to figure out, do we use the law of sines or law of cosines for this? So here, if we look at it, we have an angle, that's A. We have a side B. We have side C. So does anything match here at all? Or can we make something match? Like, can we find an angle and then get a C and two C's or two B's? Nah, we can't get anything to match up. So we have two different sides. We have a different angle. So do we use law of sines or law of cosines here? Law of cosines. And again, you're going to have to know the difference between the two. You can't be like, well, Mr. Hall, I'm so confused. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm lost. No, you didn't teach us this. Yes, I did. So we talked about each individual one. So make sure you know the difference between the two. So if we're doing the law of cosine and we're trying to find side A, let's start off with this. And here we should have everything except for side A. So here we know that angle, no, sorry, side B is 200. We know side C is 650. And we put in B and C again. And angle A is 88. There we go. Now, in our problem, how do we get A by itself? Absolutely correct. Take the square root of it. Okay, again, we put into the calculator, get an answer, and we are done. Except for just make sure that we put the right units and that we do the right stuff for it. And you'll see what I mean in a few seconds. Just put all that into the calculator. Make sure, again, you're in the right mode, which is degree mode. And everybody should get, once you put it in, approximately 869.068, something like that. But again, how far apart will the airplanes be after 2 hours? And here with this problem, they didn't tell you exactly where to round it or whatever. But here, 325 is a whole number, 300 is a whole number. So that means our answer should be a whole number. So our sides are whole numbers, so our answer should be a whole number. So it's approximately 869 miles there. And again, we're going to write it out in the sentence just to make sure everybody understands. So the two planes are 869 miles apart from each other. and make sure you add the after 2 hours. Make sure you add that part. That's pretty much what the whole problem's been about. All right, so we're done. So this problem and the problem we just did with the fire, you're going to see on the project. So make sure that you look at these, understand what's going on, because you're going to use the same type of ideas and same type of process for our project. All right, that is it.